are from the Attorney General's ni see to now the issue Kwabena Adu Boahen ya lose.
It took the case of Kwabena Adu Boahen versus Ghana as a state. As a Ghana's Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Akutininga Ayene, only Kwabena Adu Boahen. Oma semana ewo court na say Adu Boahen. Sika wa wia Ghana krono wabo 490 billion ye chile. Kwabena ne atina say sika we nyina so busia finally court no ensen na hom popo ya ba abontin na chire mu a Kwabena Adu Boahen ko a wa really case no against Attorney General. Captain Smart aba chire nsemu ama face no lawyer power much so add in the submission aba aha Penyah block media mess was say need you obe like video no that one subscribe button somebody click the notification icon for latest update somebody chire wa adwon dia mame e wo comment section mess was so baso no ahye no for so anya bi ahye eti mame fa bibi metwa mu like play I say meti ora acho ade kra ora no ade Marian meti ora no ache operation recover all loot ache meti ora ache how does say hey abra betire mu ora no I find ora na ye dey meti ora because ye to ba we na meti ora hey ora for ba ana ora for ba ana na ka bintra de ye dede ana mpi before ora e ba ana we ba na mu di dwoma no mu di ye dede ma abra kwa be ka say ora no sika betima recover am ma no e $21 billion ofu na Ghana kwa kra de ye say Ghana ka o mani nyina kra ye ka ye de ye say don go to recover we am from Ghana say we na ye to ba wi ye de Muhammad tuna kunya so no ene hu say cases be start pop up on the internet ayi case di kai na e Kenoforiata versus OSP kiseja ben later ene hu say NSS scandal bi so abemu bi what I say NSS ye gift you or what the mention on say NSS scandal ebem and na OSP ensa ewo mu bi any other Attorney General so ebe press conference on that yokofuo ewo mu bi any other na later ene hu ni say fresh case bi so pop up on the internet ye wura match mu a ene say another fresh case bi pop up I say between the state Attorney General Dr. Dominic Akutininga Ayene only Kwabena Adu Boahen former Director General of National Signal Bureau NSB aye sika sembia finance ase 49.1 million Ghana cedis kano 491 billion this kind of demand say onfa and supply just onfa nye project no cyber security defense software cyber security defense software according to Kwabena Adu Boahen no or the contract no some Israeli company be ICS Saint Holdings one company be Israel say omo na omo enye MS supply Ghana that kind of software no any ade but yante won we that case no anyone say Attorney General akopeja aba ene do kire mu a Kwabena Adu Boahen wa di o man sika later e ba say Kwabena Adu Boahen kra no o wo fie ma akoma ko 40 plus say ni fie wa Ghana hankwan etwe ma akoma ko 40 just say and somewhere popping up on the issue of Kwabena Adu Boahen bi na enya sim kuma eba kwase Adu Boahen kwa say we dicken crowd church because there was a video na go viral and all preach was on them no comment section yai yenu amuko gu ho di na tem Ghana folk di na tem chromophobia sa no the Bible blah so na wo yes say Adu Boahen sibu fuye on say that say no so be chire nsem ka was mu gu na nimu asem be chire ne nchire mu kra obe tu mu say ye ko la shimu kra 24 la shimu no sika mo si me die no enya mu kra mdi o da bi Mima opposition party be their campaign. Opposition party na NDC. NDC $500,000 at their campaign. Mahama car wa team ya to be Mahama car na wa team no. Or no, sika bi na dey talk car Mahama just say also the exposé bi buy and say any enyan. Emma na Adu Boahen our court. E don process in the case say July mu ene so me say court na asem no asubim. July no ma court na asem no atwam. Na be yan ka bi hyemu. Ye nyina ya atwan ebra ye say Kwabena Adu Boahen ko nyina agitum so wadi o man sika ko se de omosi be ka kire mu de obi agim se Adu Boahen wa ba o man ne ka te nyina twen tama inu kwa akotuma na se be yere ne se wontua o man sika na wadi ne emaye Captain Kojo Smart ye bra panyini e de se abetu ye kire mu a the case of Kwabena Adu Boahen versus Attorney General no abusia versus the state Attorney General no state no LOC
Documents are from the Attorney General's ni see to now the issue Kwabena Adu Boahen ya lose Ono na lose. Oh, yeah, lose. As well again. Oh, yeah, serious. Yeah, these politicians, these are the documents. Where Attorney General Peter, Attorney General the Assembly Akotanko. What was it 927?
Rurakadesh.
When I was say Nipano, Wakoto 927 one day. Krata or the court in you. Where you be kind of Monday. Minim say Mary, you know, a lawyer for Befremi. Mr. Shandoff Befremi. What are the documents? Mr. Shandoff, this is the number 1 document. Mr. Shandoff, this is the 2nd document. I'll give you photocopies. So you don't have to call me Kura. Mr. Shandoff, this is the 3rd document. You don't have to call me. Are you Kweku or Konyo or Kwesi? Whichever way, you are Shandoff. This is document number 5. You see the baby inside the day. You don't have to call me. Mr. Shandoff, you don't have to call me. This is document number 6. You dey here. You don't have to. Maybe I took 3rd one. JB, what's a brand to be a friend Kwabena Adu Boahen Dinda? The Attorney General ma say what to dime akuma 27 no. O man this for $500,000 an hour more. Before the elections. Did the NDC take $500,000 from Kwabena Adu Boahen or not? And here number 1, 3rd bomb, 4th bomb, or produce 4 cars. See a rubber 4. Why koi? Why not this cars? Say cars no way. Where are those cars? And who took delivery of the $500,000? That is my 4th bomb. But it's a question. My shadow na my head, sir. Obinya kukuduro betra ha. Metro se krobia santo kotoko no tumfo se to ababi o ka se. Enye kwoteka se na de nyimba. It is a dia da wa ha mu a ente so betuma yinsen obi ba. Nsuo na efiri be ma homa na nyim obi. Medima fo na to no bisa no. Sanka de cassette mi nyim oba katimba de ka ne maye bebiri. Did he give 4 cars? Where are the cars? Did he pay $500,000? And who took delivery of that money? Let nobody try anywhere under the sun. So be say Muhammadin, be ya dear bia, ebetete Jordan, me don't me. I am a software say mama cancer me do nyame, but so far I don't have a choice. Me do nyame, because me I love God. Just say I love God. Me do nyame. Let nobody try. Say you want to ruin this administration. No, it will never happen under my watch. And see. Bomb number 5. Huh? JB, what can I say? Attorney General here press conference, no? Or can say, Kwabena Adu Boahen, we're moving Sika from a state BMC to a private BMC. One thing, sir, Kwabena Adu Boahen, we're far buying Sika free point A. No, they are quite to the private account to point B. Patro one is Attorney General kind. Now, Attorney General now has a case now they call court no. The suit in the Republic versus Kwabena Adu Boahen, Angela Eje Boateng, Mildred Donko, and Advantage Solutions Limited. There's nowhere in this document just say Kwabena Adu Boahen we're moving a buying seeker at their quarter private account. Who is deceiving who? Are you guys? What is wrong with you? Why? Why are you doing this? Why? You came to speak. Organize a press conference. Tell the entire nation that somebody moved money from point A to point B. Meanwhile, in your suit, it is not stated there. So who did you deceive? It is that Yoku and a DCV Attorney General. And you went to bedroom, as some like a bedroom or where they are in the map. Why do you want some some Cassia? Over to pocket and then. Huh? John, the way I'm a super was some no home. Eh? Met me bibia, men kwanda me ye bida because of you. It's who I wouldn't know about try Mahama. Me try. JB, document way na if you yoku. Nkrata way na if you yoku. Samo pe kwanya mo betimi di agrepro Kwabena Adu Boahen, come to me. If you want that, come. And you see, Yenjai massaging and garnishing national issues, making it sound and look too political. It doesn't help us.
Tell state no Lucy, state no any case against Kwabena Adu Boahen. Now, seven here, Adu Boahen was winning. It now the yente won't she why no cool like no money we say Adu Boahen was winning case no. I'm a lawyer part watcher, so I didn't come after
him have been very high-handed, very high-handed. We have been talking here about Kwabena Adu Boahen's case, and time again we have urged our viewers that we don't think that the young man is being treated fairly, not because we think he hasn't committed a crime or that he has committed a crime. That the processes that have been used against him have been very high-handed, very high-handed. I mean, the guy works for government. You can give me only Kwabena Adu Boahen's photograph, it's fine. The guy works for government. He's an intelligence officer with the government. And I said, okay, they're preparing Kwabena Adu Boahen's photo. Okay, they'll do it. He's an intelligence officer with government. He studied at KNUST and came up with a degree in electrical engineering. His options after graduating electrical engineering in 2006 or whatever were several. He could have, with his electrical engineering degree, gone anywhere. He followed his mother, who was a public servant at the National Communication Authority, who working there felt that this company, if we get some sharp engineers, we are going very far. Her son was an engineer. He said, Kwabena, why don't you come and consider working at NCA? And he laughed at his mother and said, me? I said, how much are they going to pay me? 200 Ghana cedis. No, I won't do it. He came to NCA nonetheless. Later on, he went abroad to work for a big international company that was building planes, because I think he got frustrated with the NCA small. So after 2-3 years, he said, Charlie, Mama, it's okay. I finished my national service to you and your NCA. I'm going. He left to London and he worked for this company that was building planes. He built Airbus and all of that. That's where he's coming from. I'm not sure how he came back to the NCA. I think somebody told, I don't know. So then he came back to the NCA and continued to work there. When I was on the NCA board, I sat with him and I heard his contributions and it was significant. So then he decides within the thing, he advises his bosses that I think we should set up another agency and call it the National Signals Bureau so that it will be doing what the BNC is doing now as an agency. It will be much stronger because the intelligence is moving from physical go and listen to using technology to do it. And as an intelligence institution, if we don't have a full technology session, we're going to be in trouble. He campaigns on this through his bosses all the way to the front of the president's desk, then into cabinet. It is then decided that, okay, you say you want to do Signals Bureau. Think through and put together a bill for Parliament and the Attorney General's drafters to consider. Kwabena Adu Boahen leads a team to go through the entire bill. It's now called Act 1040, Act 1040. They go through the entire process and make sure it is internationalized. Every single part of the bill connects to whether you are looking at high-level intelligence places like America, like UK, like Israel, South Africa, Sweden, you get all the stuff in there. And they set up a National Signals Bureau to deliver quality national security agenda for the protection of Ghana and for early warning signals on anything that could happen. Early warning signals, which is very, very important. Ghana is not just the oasis of peace in South Africa because of nothing. We are the oasis of peace in South Africa, first of all, because of the grace of God. And more important, the other important thing is because of the quality of our people. People like this guy, this electrical engineer. So if at the end, then he becomes National Signals Bureau boss, 2024 election, can MPP lose? He still works there, by the way, but he's at home. He's handed over to Mr. Adu Boahen, another very brilliant guy. Adu Boahen, who is at the Signals Bureau now, is a very good guy. He used to be at NITA. I know him. He's very sharp. Now, if Kwabena Adu Boahen is found guilty of the law, should it be to keep him in the Yoko cells for that huge time? This is a guy who has advanced the cause of the nation, working as National Signals Bureau. You want to take him to court, you can take him to court all you want. And then you do press conference and say he's a thief, he has stolen. If he has stolen, you can say it in court. The court will establish it. So when we do that, and tomorrow some 22-year-old boy whose father is a lecturer. Now, I have a nephew in KNUST. Young man. It was 18 or something. The guy is brutal. Brutal. I just don't want to mention his name. One day I'll mention his name. In fact, I spoke to him that he should come on this program. Let me interview him. He's just too sharp. His name is Jeremy. I won't mention his surname. Jeremy is so intelligent. He's an electrical engineer. He's studying electrical engineering. So if Jeremy finishes school, I say, Jeremy, can I take you to the NCA? He will tell me that, uncle, I should go to the NCA and they will treat me like they treated Kwabena Adu Boahen if you people are not in power. That's what Jeremy will tell me. But uncle, when the MPP lost the elections, look there. So if you take me there and then NDC comes next time, then they will come and, no, I don't want to do it. Jeremy will tell me he doesn't want to do it. Because of the way we do, there's a legal process. So anyway, Captain Smart had some very brutal things to say about I was watching with my mouth opened. I said, hey, Captain Smart? Assemble Debbie. Have a look at the video.
Documents are from the Attorney General's Nisiu to know how the SU Kwabena Adu Boahen. Let me say this. We are building a country. We are not building a political party. Sir, Kwabena Adu Boahen, we are far buying free point A. No, they are quite to the private account to point B. Part of one is Attorney General kind. Now, Attorney General now has a case now they call court. No, the suit in the Republic versus Kwabena Adu Boahen, Angela Eje Boateng, Mildred Donko, and Advantage Solutions Limited. There's nowhere in this document just say Kwabena Adu Boahen. We're moving a buying seeker and they're got to private account. Who is deceiving who? Are you guys? What is wrong with you? Why? Why are you doing this? Why? You came to speak. Organize a press conference. Tell the entire nation that somebody moved money from point A to point B. Meanwhile, in your suit, it is not stated there. So who did you deceive?
So, Captain Smart is saying that one important thing the Attorney General said at the press conference that got everyone excited is that the accused person, Kwabena Adu Boahen, together with his wife, have taken money that belongs to the government and put it in their private accounts and squandered it. It's a very serious matter and everyone will be very annoyed. Everybody. So it's like I was working, Kwabena Adu Boahen was doing full time. I was working as chairman of Ghana Airport. Then it is found that I don't sign, the chairman of Ghana Airport doesn't sign signatures for bank, doesn't sign checks. I don't sign any check. But it say I'm managing director of Ghana Airport Company. That's a better example. I'm managing director of Ghana Airport Company. So I signed the check with the finance director. Then it is found that Ghana Airport Company accounts in Bank A. A transfer is occasioned by the managing director of 6 million Ghana cedis, not small money, 6 million Ghana cedis, or 1 million Ghana cedis, or 20,000 Ghana cedis, transferred to the account belonging to Paul Adomochi and his wife. This is what we were told. that this is what it was said that Kwabena Adu Boahen had done. Captain Smart is telling us that the matter before the court, this allegation is not part of it. And it is making him angry. It's making him quite angry. That this allegation that they are making is not part of what they told us. That the thing they told us that stuck in our heads was that this Adu Boahen guy, we have arrested him at the Kotoka airport and we are keeping him because do you know what he's done? He has taken government money and transferred it into a private account controlled by he and his wife. Captain Smart is saying, these are his words, that the matter before the court, these things are not pleaded. It's not there at all. He said it's Iyoko that has deceived the Attorney General. I don't know whether Iyoko has deceived the Attorney General, but there's another important thing we found. I think we shared it here before. The whole Kwabena Adu Boahen trial, because we're very interested, we picked up the National Signals Bureau Act, Act 1040, to read it and to see, where the whole, we are still very interested in the Adu Boahen matter. Now, if you look at Section 14 of the National Signals Bureau, there's something there that's quite interesting. I don't know what to make of it. Of course, the Attorney General has the powers of prosecution under Article 88 of the Constitution, and the Attorney General decides how he wants to prosecute. And where you're comparing laws of parliamentary acts, because the Attorney General fundamentally prosecutes on Act 29 and Act 30, the Criminal Offences Act and the Criminal Procedure. So 29 and 30 is what he generally uses, apart from many other laws, cyber security and all that. But this is also an act of parliament. So if you're comparing two acts, 29 and another act of parliament, there are various ways in which the courts have determined which one should be should survive if two acts of parliament have a different or opposite opinion on how a matter should be done. Which one survives? Some people will say the later in time. That's an old common law principle they used to use. That some will say the later in time. So if the laws conflict and one came in 1980 and one came in 1989, many will advocate that let's use the one that came in 1989 because when they were writing the 1989, they knew of the 1980 and they wrote the 1989. So they intended the contradiction, something like that. So the later in time sometimes suffices. If we want to use the later in time, Act 29 and Act 30 were passed in 1960. And Act 10, so you can imagine Act 29 of Parliament and 30. What we've done with our Parliament, which is very important, I don't know who gave us the idea, we've done very well. We have continued the acts. So the military decrees are separate and then we continue. So when the coup came in 1981, if the last act was 25, the 1992 starts from 26. I think it's fantastic. So we have Act 29 and 30 in 1960. And then we have Act 1040 in 2022 or so. In Act 1040, it says, investigation of complaints under the National Signals Bureau. And this is a complaint against the head of the institution, the Director General of the National Signals Bureau. So this is what it says, investigating complaints. 14.1, a person aggrieved by an act or omission of the Bureau shall submit a written or oral complaint to the Director General. The Director General shall examine the complaint and take appropriate action within 30 days from the date of the receipt of the complaint. A person who makes a complaint to the Director General, okay, the only problem is that here we are dealing with the Director General himself. So I'm not sure who the complaint should have gone to. A person who makes a complaint to the Director General under subsection 1 may, where action is not taken on the complaint within the 30 days, the person is dissatisfied with the blah, blah, blah. He shall submit a complaint to the Chief Justice. So I'm guessing that because this is about the Director General, the complaint conceived of under Section 14 of the law should have gone to the Chief Justice. Okay. The Chief Justice, one more before this one. Okay, the Chief Justice Complaints Tribunal. The Chief Justice shall, on receipt of a complaint submitted under Section 14, appoint within 60 days a tribunal of 3 persons to examine and determine the issues in the complaint. So this is very interesting. This is in the National Signals Bureau Act. It has to do with submitting complaints to the Director General. This is about the Director General. So we are suggesting that as the act says, from the Director General, the next person to submit complaints to the Chief Justice. So it should have been, but I don't know the value of this in this.
We Captain Smart, and we Attorney General, or Papa be a friend of Kwabena Adu Boahen. Yet to Kroimu, and I catch Attorney General Mahama, boy, but catch the Ghana for you, I say. Adu Boahen, and war national security honor. One in the Yapo Chrono, in fact, just say, and you will be any market to see Kakra, and we are just millions of dollars. I'm a Ghana for you, Yannick J. say, was what in a court to Police Canaba. But to us today, Mumus answer court and I day. I do what he case I day. Now, Yatia Captain Smart, ya, therefore, ya, or no about one say. charges are yoku and attorney general Mahama Crawford ne de Kwabena Adu Boahen no the ombeka kire media nim say wato estate $1 million estate wo cars say na wakoto fie wa brochire wakoto passport wa ye den no emu bia no de akokot tie de yeka no aban no scam aban we ye enfitiase ne yeka say 419 government Uganda ni bia mu so mo say sa so called oral team no mu so mo say okuja to be cast o metimi age ho 24 billion ho de amagana we ye catch them say ye propaganda ye troll lines today attorney general ya no sorry every day propaganda media press conference moment and say aden no ntimi for bianco court any scan be my say Captain Smart say attorney general wa lose case no o catch Ghana for against Kwabena Adu Boahen Captain Smart dey come the attorney general Fred Captain Smart na court why Ghana for mamu nsura de tiriye kanon attorney general ye fra no ayi Dr. Ayene name ye catch them some papa no Mahama should reshuffle this attorney general because we bomb attorney general ye or sensational or emotional just say or should that you or play the minds of the media or persecute the client and I say suspect e medium attorney general for the first time or timi ba medium be case why you nyina so court ko boni pa charge attorney general na timi charge a person a medium and the case in go to the criminal enterprise now in this context mean call law school da nyansemo why the be criminal is solely court of competent jurisdiction attorney general will only use a suspect take a suspect to court to that year attorney general here to front me e betena medium now weak media rental press for now channel e money e charge will be medium say according to Captain Smart or sing krate kura no attorney general lusu case ni poto na Kwabena Adu Boahen ye send politics an komaja no o my way ye catch them mean time Mahama na mamu na mbom e kwan a wo mo ye elder da Ghana for ne menimre Shannon on the 6th of September Ghana for nyina sorry Nigeria for asama ye kan ban we mfa ho no ye nyina ye hia wo Obra Sport o Accra get ready Nigeria for crimes or who open secret in niema prostitution no fraud ni kidnapping adultery. For what we say you join it.
Ubet ma chere wa adwen amame e wo comment section. The state versus Kwabena Adu Boahen. Kwabena Adu Boahen are in the case now. We is so serious. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.